Growing up, I spent a lot of time in nature. And this was on weekends where my parents and I would drive up to our farm to tend to the land. And through that, I got to experience firsthand how food is grown and how it interacts with the natural world. Hi, my name is Mmakwena Moesi. I am the co-founder and CEO of Viva Organica. At Viva Organica, we leverage biotech processes to provide organic inputs to our farming communities and spread the knowledge and awareness on best sustainable practices. So the process starts with first collecting our waste, sourcing our waste, and then we take this waste through a pre-composting process and thereafter introduce them to our worm pads. The worms then, along with the microbes that have been growing in the organic waste, they consume the organic waste, and as the waste runs through the gut of the worm, it's then fortified with humic acids, plant growth hormones, and the end product being vermicompost or loosely worm poop is the gold that we're looking for. So we aim to do this by ensuring that we are as sustainable as possible from how we source our raw materials and the actual products and services that we provide.